In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and use a progress bar in Notion. Now, it's a super straightforward thing to do, and it's really useful and great for helping you visualize things. Now, I've got actually a goal tracker here, which I'm using it on, but you can use this for many different things. So let me show you how it works quickly. So you can see up here on my goal tracking database, I have different goals, and these different goals have progress bars here. So what we can do here, down here I have the tasks which basically add up this progress bar. If I tick this, it's going to add 25% to the bar. If I tick this, it's going to add another 25%. This will add another 25% here, but also this actually accounts for 100% on this one. And if I add this one here, this will add another 25% here and also 100% here. Now I can actually, remove and add different ones, and that will really add up or decrease the progress bars. Now it's super easy to do. So what I'm going to show you here is I'm going to show you on this database. I'm going to create a new Q1 goal. I'm going to go into here and edit it. I'm going to say goal 5 test, just so you know it's a test. And this actually down here has automatically generated me a table of tasks, as I have already created this. So what I can do here is I can actually create a new action, and I'm going to call this action task 5, like this. Now I'm going to create another task within here called task 6, and if I go off here, you can see now if I tick task 6, it's going to be 50%. Task 5 is also 50%. So the way we actually do that is we need to have two databases here. We've got this first database here, and we have the second database here. Now, if I show you in the table view, we're actually going to go ahead and press plus here, and we're going to actually type in we're going to type in roll up. Here we go, roll up. So for the relation, we need to select the other database. So I've got this new actions database down here. The property I'm going to look at is the completed box. So this is the checkbox here for completed. And calculate, I'm going to put checked. And now down here, I'm actually going to put it as a bar for the progress. You can do a ring as well, but I'm going to do a bar and show number. So now that should work. Actually, what you can see here is actually not working, because what I forgot to do was I forgot to put the number out of 100, so out of 10. So you need to divide it by 10. So now there we go. You can see that works there. If I want to go into here and edit it more, I can fiddle around with all the different settings in here. But yeah, that's how you basically do it. If you found this video useful, then please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked.